come closer. I need to tell you something. You have something growing inside you, something quiet, something real. Don't say a word about it yet. Not everyone deserves to know what you feel. Some people smile when you talk about dreams, but their eyes say something else. You've seen it before, you know how it goes, so it's time, keep it to yourself. Silence isn't hiding. Silence is a wall. Build it tall enough before you let them in at all. Let them be silent dreams. Not every fire needs to be seen. Let them grow in the dark. That's where the roots go deep. Silent dreams are the ones that keep. I know the urge to share it, to make it real by saying it out loud. But words can carry weight you didn't mean, and some ears are too close to the crowd. So let your actions do the talking. Let the work speak when it's done. By the time they understand what happened, you'll already have won. Silence isn't hiding. Silence is a wall. Build it tall enough before you let them in at all. Let them be silent trees. Not every fire needs to be seen. Let them grow in the dark. That's where the roots go deep. Silent dreams are the ones that keep. The ones who made it were quiet for a long time, not because they doubted, because they knew. Let them be silent trees. Not every fire needs to be seen. Let them grow in the dark. That's where the roots go deep. Silent dreams are the ones that keep. Now you know, keep it that way. Rise slow. Rise slow. Mm. rise slow, I build to stay. You said my name like you knew my pain, like you saw the storms behind the rain. I wore my cracks like a harmless disguise, but you looked through me with patient eyes. I learned to smile when the room went cold, to hide my scars, to not lose hope. But every part I kept in the dark, you found the truth between the sparks. Now the walls I built are fading, all the silence starts to break. What I bury starts awakening, every piece begins to wake. Take the pieces of me, every broken part you see. If I fall, I won't stay lost. I was made from love and lost. Take the pieces of me, put them back so I can breathe. What was shattered, let it be. I am more than memories. I carried nights that never let go, hearts made heavy, voices low. I blame the past for the shape I wore. Never knew I was made for more, but you stayed when the lights went down, when there was nothing left to crown. You didn't flinch when I came undone. You saw a battle already won. And now the walls I built are fading, all the silence starts to break. What I bury starts awakening, every piece begins to wake. Take the pieces of me, every broken part you see. If I fall, I won't stay lost. I was made from love and lost. Take the pieces of me, put them back so I can breathe. What was shattered, let it be. I am more than memories. If I tremble, if I bend, if I lose my way again, hold the truth I couldn't keep. Even broken hearts can sing. Take the pieces of me, every shadow, every dream. If I break, I'll rise again. Let the healing now begin. Take the pieces of me, put them back so I can breathe. What was shattered, let it be. I am more than memories. Oh, take storm, I've been through the rain, I've been broken down and built up again. Every hard day, every sleepless night made me who I am, made me hold on tight. I didn't know then what the pain was for,